Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. Today in this video, we're gonna learn about how to remove add me option. Okay, from watchlist field on a form in ServiceNow. Okay, let me show you one example. So I have opened one incident. So in this incident record, if you see here we have watchlist field, right? So this is the unlock watch list and this is the add me icon. Okay, now we are going to remove this add me icon from this watch list field. Okay, how we gonna do this? Okay, so right click on this watch list field and click on configure dictionary. Scroll down and click on advanced view. And in the attribute section, so here we have already few attributes guys. So no need to worry about that. So using comma separated, we have to add our field. Okay. No underscore add underscore me equals to true. And let's save this dictionary. Let me refresh this incident record. Yeah, can you see now the add me icon has been disabled now. Okay, this is how we can remove the add me icon from the watchlist field, guys. I hope you like this video and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you have any doubts, please post in the comment section. I will try to answer. Thank you, guys. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye.